Welcome to another edition of
What we're cooking.
Al.
I'm Nick.
And what's on the menu tonight, Nick?
Roasted potatoes, Brussels sprouts,
Right.
and pan-seared Branzino.
That's right. They're going to be very simple. Again, olive oil, salt, pepper on the potatoes. We're doing some seasoned sea salt, the Darrow the Butcher sea salt, some pepper, some red chili flakes. Eventually, we're going to pan-sear these with some anchovies and butter. But the first thing we do is we're going to put them in the oven, Nick, for
350 for 30 minutes.
So I've melted some butter and dissolved a few anchovy fillets. And now I picked from our garden some fresh sage. And I'm going to fry that up real quick so I make kind of a butter anchovy sage sauce. And then we're going to cook the Branzino fillets. All right, now that we've done the sauce, we are going to put the Branzino fillets in. And we push them down so they make contact and get a good sear on the skin. You almost feel it bubble as you press it down. Everything cooked up pretty quickly. I pulled an audible and went out in the garden, got some sage, some anchovy, some butter, and created an anchovy sage butter sauce for this Branzino. What else do we have, Nick?
Roasted potatoes
And
Brussels sprouts.
very good. So there's another edition gone of
What we're cooking.
I'm Al.
I'm Nick, and that's a wrap. Peanut gallery.